Have you ever wondered why some devices use more electricity than others? Today, Ethan will explain a simple rule that helps us understand electricity. Ethan is looking at a battery and an LED. He wants to know what makes electricity flow through a circuit. The answer comes from something called Ohm's law. It is one of the most important concepts in electronics. First, let's talk about voltage. Voltage is the force that pushes electric charges through a circuit. Next is current. Current is the flow of electric charges moving through wires. Now let's look at resistance. Resistance slows down or opposes the flow of current. Voltage, current, and resistance all work together. Understanding their relationship is the key to understanding circuits. Ohm's law connects these three electrical quantities. Engineers use it every day to design and analyze circuits. Think of electricity like water flowing through a pipe. Voltage pushes the water, current is the flow, and resistance acts like a narrow section of pipe. Now that we understand the basics, Ethan is ready to reveal the simple formula behind Ohm's law. Now Ethan reveals the famous Ohm's law formula. It helps us calculate voltage, current, or resistance when two values are known. Let's use an example. This battery provides 12 volts of electrical pressure to the circuit. The circuit also contains a resistor with a value of 6 ohms. This resistor limits the current flow. Ethan divides the voltage by the resistance. This simple calculation will tell us the current in the circuit. The answer is 2 amperes. That means 2 units of current flow through the circuit every second. What happens if resistance changes? Ohm's law helps us predict the result quickly. When resistance is low, current can flow more easily. That's why the current becomes larger. When resistance increases, it becomes harder for current to flow. The current decreases. Engineers use Ohm's law to solve problems just like this every day. It makes circuit analysis much easier. By now, Ethan understands how voltage, current, and resistance work together. Next, we'll see how Ohm's law is used in real life. Ohm's law is used in simple LED circuits like this one. It helps engineers choose the correct resistor value to keep components safe. It is also used inside phone chargers and many electronic devices. The same principles work everywhere electricity flows. Electricians use Ohm's law when designing and troubleshooting wiring systems. It helps ensure circuit operates safely. Electrical engineers rely on Ohm's law every day. It is one of the most important tools in circuit design. Without proper calculations, circuits can overheat or fail. Understanding resistance helps prevent these problems. By applying Ohm's law correctly, engineers can protect components and improve circuit performance. Let's review. Voltage pushes electric charges, current is the flow of charges, and resistance opposes that flow. These three quantities are connected through Ohm's law. Once you understand this relationship, many circuits become easier to understand. Ethan has successfully learned the basics of Ohm's law. This knowledge is the foundation of electrical and electronic engineering. Thanks for learning with Ethan today. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and join us for more easy-to-understand electrical and electronics lessons.